Hello, I'm Dr. Dwayne Broom. I'm the founder of Operation Promised Land. Are you one of the people who's out of work, looking for additional income, someone who's in need of more and not quite sure what to do? Are you one of the people who right now you're facing some issues where fear is concerned, where you're not sure about what's going to happen to you in the months ahead? Is your job being threatened? Operation Promised Land very well can be, and I will say, I believe it is your answer. I believe that Operation Promised Land is just for you. No matter where you are economically, Operation Promised Land is here to help you. What is Operation Promised Land? We're a training organization, a group of distributors in the direct selling industry that have learned some very fundamental basic principles of how to make direct selling simple. To make it simple, we've got to get it down to its most common denominator. We have found that if we will look at how to do this with the least amount of people and the least amount of financial output, we can make a fabulous, tremendous financial program that will benefit all those who participate. How will it benefit you? How would you like to be able to pay the bills on time? How would you like to be able to pay the car off? How would you like to have multiple streams of income because of your association with a family of people, a community of people who are working together? Not working as independent only, but interdependent. We're working together. We're teaching and training our friends, family, loved ones, business associates, how to work together in the direct selling industry like never before. What we're doing, we have been told, has never been done before. Don't you want to be a part of history? Being a part of something that's never been done before? Only once in a lifetime do some things come along. And we've been told by experts in the industry that what we're doing is that once-in-a-lifetime thing. The benefits to you are a group, integrity, simplicity, and the power of belonging. You're going to make sure through your association with Operation Promised Land that you're not left behind, that you're not left out in the cold in this economy. We're here to help you. We are a rescue mission. We're teaching each other how to get through, make it to the next side, and come into a land of abundance. Operation Promised Land, I believe, is just for you. You want to sign up on our website? You want to find your way to our website is operationpromisedland.com or .org. Log in, look at the videos, take the time, get clear understanding. Watch the videos until you understand, and then take the next steps that are available to you on the site. Get it down on the inside of you and share it with other people. You know people who need the help right now. I know you do, because we all know people who need help. Let's help each other and help ourselves at the same time. I believe that your involvement with Operation Promised Land will change your life and secure your destiny. It's so good to have you with me today. I'll see you on the website.